Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beatings can't see. But on the screen, there's a lot of dancehall deportees in the making. You see my people, but we're come for giving you some good news today that Chronicler has been freed from immigration. Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that, because you know homeboy has been locked up for like January, February, March, like 3 months. You see I say, you know, wrist basket get locked, and 2 days later, someone inform on him and then pick him up at the studio. You see I say, and he's been in there ever since, you know what I mean? We know Rising King get locked, and it's with, you know, ice right now. But at least Chronicler come out. You see I say, I don't really know what's going on with one of the favorites, but it's not a good look. You know what I mean? They're all caught up with all type of law enforcement agency, and it look like, say, Uncle Sam is ready to crack down upon them. You see what I say? But me just giving an update while going for not to go on. Chronicler has been released out on immigration ban. You see what I say? Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Now, it doesn't seem like Yankee is the only one in this couple that has tapes. You see my people? I never seen the ones that, you know, leaked with Yankee, but boy, me see a whole heap with Annie. You see my say, and you see how wide her mouth is, you know. Yeah, at that type of rifle, she are clean. You see my say, them the things that up on my Twitter channel, but whoa. You know what I mean? I don't really know what's going on with these T-listers. You see my say, it look like say them really strapped for cash. Cause we know say Annie do the skit thing on TikTok. And we know say she do the cooking thing now. And no, we see say she take up, you know, the OnlyFans thing. You know what I mean? We're not knocking nobody's hustle, but whoa. You know what I mean? I really hope this is profitable for her, where she don't have to do these things no more, because she have a lot of daughters, you know, my people. You know what I mean? And they tend to be following their footsteps. You see what I say? Because they also don't know no better. You know what I mean? Them just a look about chatter. You know what I mean? But me not see no upgrade since them they on social media. Right? But me just giving them quick update while going for not to go on. If you want to see Annie in action, we're not talk about Daryl Fast Woman, swing on my TikTok, my Kingmixup channel on Twitter. Kingmixup, one word. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Think me say, well, go on, boy, yeah, and I have to deal with Howie. Wow, this Negro gambled on the wrong one, and he lost. You see, man, I said, meaning he listened to Karina to abandon his child, and now he's in trouble with the court of law for abandoning his child. Yeah, let's hear what Ivany are doing, and then we'll proceed with the next.
Promise you, my son, I got there on my foot. I promise you. Cause them not talk the true story, you know. I'm not ready for come bust up that, you know. Why him not come tell you, say, filing in place for your abandonment, and then if you sign paper or go back to court, you don't want to sign it. You not ready for come bust that up. Why don't tell people them say you don't want to go back to court? Why you don't want to go back to court? Cause when you abandon him, you know, you never want to pay for the service. So you never want to pay for the service, you never come for the supervise. Why not come talk that? I have nothing to bust up in that stream already, you know. Let's go and wait everything done, you know. I'm like, I tell me to share it on the internet, you know. I just watch it play out, you know. But I go bust it up. Oh. I'm going to live better than blood clot me over. You come suck up my wall. Oh. Where's Ziggy there? Ziggy not alive. Guys, call Ziggy. My friend. TikTok liar gonna look dirty and stink and funky. She not live no life over here. For the ears in her voice, you know, see one little country girl. One little country girl with one bitter roses. And just bad mind the young girl them live here.
Problems in the comment section, because this is what I said from day one. You see my say, oh, we listened to Karina and it backfired upon him tremendously. And now he's involved in some ish. You see my say, him lift the restraining order because he has no issues with Ivany. So, boom, supervisor thing free because the mommy and daddy did him. Boom, Karina, she said, Ivany, you did it. She said, no, you're not allowed to see Ivany, so that means that you're not gonna ever see your son. We're gonna write 2 amendment letter, and it never got through to the judge because they agreed weeks previously for child support $400 a month and things. And no, it's been 1 year since him contacting Ivany. $4,800 in the rear, you see me? So when them go back to court, which is avoiding, the judge is going to deal with him accordingly, and it's going to be proven that he was the malicious one from the beginning, doing all of these acts to get the people them deported so them can get full custody of the child. You see what I said? But me just give them quick update while I go on for not to go on. When Ivany ready for bust it up, we are gonna let you know, you see me? Anyway, let's proceed. Now, speaking about the pitney, then Miss Rika deal with one mad Jamaican barber, you see myself, which I was told abandoned fear on in America for come dugu daga daga with Ziggy. You see myself, I know she said she's not deflecting and all of these things, cause you know about the warp on TikTok, and you know people that drive for people, youths, and all of them stuff, yeah, you know. So let's say what I go on for not to go on and proceed, you see me?
Fucking short.
So
they said I'm deflecting. I'm deflecting. That wasn't the real issue of her bringing up my kids.
Copy.
The real issue is them I say my man about him, man.
Copy.
Enrica.
Bucklat. But I say every fucking hour your name in a something. This is just too much.
Come on, never did this supposed to come and defend my pitney them. I am so confused.
This is just too much. So what I'm saying about your youth?
All right, so she did it on live, and apparently because me in this relationship with Ziggy, them go bring up my situation when they have last year when my daughter, remember when I go through with my disabled child, she bring that up and I talk about, oh, my child is taken away. Somebody must have the comment in the comments and say she get back her pitney or whatever.
Yeah.
But again, what my relationship and me going to Jamaica has to do with, like, what my child or my kids has to do with that.
That don't got shit to do with the audio tech between your leg. Bumbleclap, because that are just too much. So why? What?
How am I deflecting from the real question? From what I know, what I'm really angry for. You're telling me I'm.
Why did you go over there though? Like not for nothing, my nigga. Why you ventured over there?
Because a liar called my phone and I tell me said the man did want to apologize from the screen recording that I saw of him mentioning my child. And true, because I fuck with lawyer and I thought lawyer fuck with me, so I thought I went.
So moving forward, you think say you can't ignore people, or you think say you can't do that? May I ask that? You think say you can't ignore them? As long as nobody not mention your pitney, you think say you can't ignore.
I can.
Mention your pitney. That may I ask you.
Yeah, I can, but it's a simple fact that they're trying to make it something. Now they're trying to make it something that is completely not. You understand what I'm saying? They talking about I'm deflecting. What am I deflecting for? I know what I was mad about. Me not upset about to not call my man a Batman. No call everybody a blood clot Batman.
Correct. Them call everybody a Batman. Come on, assault. Everybody a Batman. Everybody a sodomite.
So why me would I come and I address matter about she a call my man a Batman? Why? She says she thinks me did I come. I said, yo, liar, I would have take the palm with my man at about saying my Batman. For what?
Oh, them think you that come with aggression.
Yes. Them never want me to come but my pitney them. Them they want to know if I'm a Batman or not. Them they want to know if me know or anything. You understand? Yeah.
This is a never-ending blood clot saga. I want a fucking drink. Me tell you, I told them up on live video, you know, and tell you, say, you dip on the for you every fucking second, you know, galley. Them not done, you know. And the thing is, you know, it not go done, because you got feed into them.
Here, hold on. Let me put this on speaker, motherfucker.
Pussy bumbo clot.
Okay, and she not get back her child. When he come in, tell mother say she get back her child. Mother say, "Oh, sorry, me never know. Mother apologize." They're on live now. This is live now. They rock my foot or the gay part. I'm both of them too. You know upset? I would be upset. So I'm tell her why you're upset. Let's try to go around corner, cut around corner. So when I tell her why I'm upset.
I just don't know why people bring them problems to the net and get upset when people, you know, whatever waiting. But me just like come for giving them a quick update on Connect Class. Do the right thing and subscribe to the King and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I chat the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.